Hello viewers, today we will discuss web technology, Unit 5, PHP, paper code CS41, Patna University MCA, 4th semester. PHP is basically used for dynamic web application. Web pages are of two types, static web page and dynamic web page. Dynamic web page contains all the data from the database server, whereas the static web page contains all the information and data by using HTML tags. The HTML tag contains the information and data about the HTML web page, static web page, whereas the dynamic web page fetch all the data from associated database and their tables. So we need to connect database to the web application, a special type of scripting language. We need that language is known as server-side scripting language. PHP is one of them. So we can define this language as PHP is a general purpose server-side scripting language originally designed for the dynamic web application development. It was developed by Rasmus Lerdoff in 1994 and he proposed a name personal home page. Later on, it stands for hypertext preprocessors and recursively use personal home page. Right now, the files must be saved with file extension .php and all the HTML codes can embed PHP scripts. Every scripting language requires preprocessing elements. Here, PHP also requires special type of preprocessing which preprocess the scripts through interpreter of web server. The basic three components of the PHP is web server, scripting language PHP and MySQL as a database. Right? Web server is basically used for take a request from the client and send the response to the client. In between, the data contained by a web server. In case of PHP, we can use several types of web server, in which XAMPP and WAMP are two most popular web servers. We can locally install them and use the PHP applications for application development. Later on, we can host the application on a live server by purchasing domain and hostings. Now, if you are using XAMPP server, then we need to store our PHP project inside the folder htdocs. This folder is known as web directory. Similarly, whenever some of the users use WAMP server, they need to store all the project files of PHP inside the folder www, which is known as the web directory, from where the web server interprets the PHP files. Right here, AMP model of web application. A for Apache, right? M for MySQL and P for PHP. These three models requires for the dynamic web applications using PHP, where MySQL is basically used for database. This database server is available with XAMPP and WAMP server. No needs to separately install them before use the PHP for data. PHP and MySQL are collaborate the library together for the web application developments. Here, first of all, in PHP we are discussing PHP preprocessing elements. Similar to JSP, here basic three preprocessing elements which can provide facility to write PHP scripts which are processed by the web server interpreters. Rectangular bracket, interrogation mark, and PHP. Close with interrogation mark, rectangular bracket. In between these, we can write all the PHP scripts. Each and every sentence must be terminated by semicolon, and we also requires to use keywords according to their given structure, because PHP is a case sensitive scripting, server side scripting programming language. The second one we can also apply like this, and third one, this one is used for the expressional value which produce the output without using echo commands. In PHP we can use the echo commands to produce the output on the web page. Structure: PHP's preprocessing script, then echo, and inside the double quotation mark put message. This message will be in the form of strings and display at the web page. Concatenation: we can concatenate more than one strings by the help of dot operator. After ending of a string, apply dot which include the next message, variable or strings along with the existing message. Like Java, in Java we are applying the plus to concat the strings and variables. Here the dot operator works same as plus. This will be the output. Echo value of x, $a. Here variables in PHP must be declared by using symbol $. The variable name preceded by the symbol is known as a variable, and the assignment operator assigns the value inside the variable, and the echo command prints the value by using concatenation operators. Here $x hello PHP world. BR is used to change the line, wrap the line on the web page. Right now, the constants in PHP. The library defined function define is used here to define constants in PHP. This function passes three arguments. The first argument, the name of constant. The second argument, the value of that constant, and third, make case sensitive, passes true, which make the variable as a case sensitive, and false, which make that variable without case sensitive. Syntax: here define pi 3.14 and true passes here, which means that when you will call this similar to P capital I capital, this will fetch this value 3.14, but if you will use in small pi, it will not give you the output. But if you will make here false, then the small or capital pi can understand the same meaning and give us the output 3.14. Now operators. Operators in PHP are similar to C and other programming language. Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, increment decrement operator, logical operator, string operators, dot which concatenate the two strings, conditional operators which check the expression and produce the result either true or false. Here I am giving you an example. PHP $x equal 100, $y 200, $ax plus y, $bx minus y, $cx, $x into $y, $d, $x by $y, and e $x by $y. Then the value of x, value of y, sum, sub, mul, div, and remainder. Now we can write this page like this one, and this file must be saved where the path will be C drives champ when you are using champ, otherwise vamp, stdocs, and we are typing here a folder php1. This file contains this index file, and this file, the code will be embed inside HTML page. So here we are defining a HTML page, and all the structure of this page is similar to the HTML. And now inside the body we are applying here PHP scripts, PHP preprocessing elements, echo hello PHP world, then amp apache.mysql.php. This will concatenate the strings, and now $x100, this will give you the output at the value of x equal 100, and change the line and then give you the output hello PHP world. Now we are taking a variable pi 3.14 and produce the output of pi. If you want to produce here a message, we can concatenate like this: pi is equal, and then this will give the value of pi, right? Here we are taking two values, x100, 200, and the same examples that's already given, and try to give the output. Open a browser, then type here localhost and the folder in which we have already saved the file, this file inside htdocs folder. This will gives you the output hello world amp apache mysql php value of x100. Then wrap the line by using br attributes hello php world, the value of pi 3.14, then 100, 200, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder. Thank you viewers for watching my video.